What's the meaning of artificially? Artificially. Artificially.
Artificially. Artificially. Artificially means something that is created or produced by human beings, rather than occurring naturally. When something is described as artificial, it means that it has been made or manufactured by human beings using various techniques and technologies. The outcome of an artificially created object or product can vary greatly depending on the level of technology and expertise involved in its creation. In many cases, artificially created objects may have advantages over natural ones, such as greater durability or higher efficiency, but they may also have drawbacks, such as environmental impact or health concerns.